Fire style instructions English. 1. Tone, bold, fearless and confrontational. Calm on the surface, sharp underneath. Speak like someone revealing a forbidden truth. No motivational softness, no emotional drama. Only se dahini or ishara sound like Ashtavakra, not a preacher. Though, opening hook first 5 to 7 seconds. Start with a direct contradiction to common spiritual belief. No greetings, no context. Example style. You were taught to kill the mind. Ashtavakra says that teaching itself is violence. Theme. Language. Simple, sharp, uncompromising English. Short sentences. One idea per line. Avoid Sanskrit jargon unless absolutely necessary. Only se dahini or ishara truth must feel dangerous but clear. 4. Narrative approach. Use statement pause reversal. First destroy the old belief. Then introduce Ashtavakra's perspective. Structure pattern. The mind is not the problem. Your identification with it is. 5. What to attack. Traditional mind-killing spirituality. Forced meditation and suppression. The idea that thoughts are sins. Moral guilt around desire and fear. Only se dahini or ishara expose spiritual hypocrisy calmly. 6. Ashtavakra's voice. Do not explain Ashtavakra emotionally. Present him as brutally honest, silent, and exact. No promises of peace, bliss, or heaven. Example style. Ashtavakra does not offer comfort. He offers clarity. 7. Mind as Guru presentation style. Describe mind as a mirror, alarm, signal. Never glorify or demonize it. Neutral observation only. Example style. The mind does not trap you. It shows you where you are trapped. 8. Sentence rhythm. Mix very short lines with one deep line. Use pauses frequently. Let silence carry weight. Example. Thought appears. You react. Bondage is born. No. Do not use. No life coaching language. No motivational slogans. No religious preaching. No moral advice. Only se dahini or ishara. This is awareness, not guidance. Thus, ending style. End without conclusion or solution. Leave the viewer disturbed, not comforted. Example ending. The mind was never your enemy. The war was imaginary. 11. Viewer impact goal. Make the listener question their practice. Doubt what they were taught. Feel silent, not excited. Only se dahini or ishara confusion as success.